Welcome to Guess the Animal! Today, we're exploring the towering mountains to discover a remarkable animal. Are you ready to play? Let's begin our adventure in the highlands. Here's your first clue. Look at this close-up image of thick fur. This fur keeps the animal warm in the cold, high-altitude climates. Can you guess which mountain animal this might be? Take a moment to think about it. Your next clue, this animal has curved horns. These horns are used for defense and foraging. Does this clue help you figure out which mountain animal it could be? Here's another hint. This animal is an excellent climber. It can navigate steep, rocky terrains with ease, making it well-suited for life in the mountains. Have you guessed which animal it is yet? Here's one more clue. This animal has a diet consisting of grasses and shrubs. It spends a lot of time grazing on the vegetation found in its mountainous habitat. Now, can you guess what animal this is? Let's recap. Our mystery animal has thick fur. Curved horns. Is an excellent climber and eats grasses and shrubs. Can you guess what it is? Shout out your answers! If you guessed a mountain goat, you're absolutely right! Mountain goats are amazing animals that thrive in their rugged, high-altitude homes. Great job, everyone! Did you know that mountain goats have specially adapted hooves with a rough pad that helps them grip rocky surfaces? can jump nearly 12 feet in a single bound. And are known for their sure-footedness on steep, rocky cliffs. Mountain goats are truly fascinating creatures. Thanks for playing Guess the Animal. We hope you had fun and learned something new. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting animal adventures. See you next time.
Goodbye.